heavy, like the night won't end. When your heart forgets what it's like to mend, take a breath, love. Feel your feet on the ground. There's still light in tomorrow, still peace to be found. You are not the storm you're in. You hold the choice where to begin. Every tear just like the rain, washing roots so joy can bloom again. We're gonna be okay, my friend. We remember who we are again. More than the hurt, more than the fear. Love is still louder, it's right here. We find it in hands that hold, in stories told, in hearts made bold. We're gonna dance this pain away. Yeah, we're gonna be okay. Yeah, we're gonna be okay. There's healing in laughter, in sunlight and song, in messy creation where hearts belong, in painting your sorrow into something bright, in moving your body till it shakes off the night. Find it in nature, the whispering trees, and waves and wind in your own heartbeat. Find it in movement, in rhythm and breath, in choosing love over the weight in our chest. Find it in kindness, in reaching out, in the quiet courage to face your doubt. We're gonna be okay, my friend. We rise, we break, we heal, we bend. More than the pain, more than the past. We were not built of glass. We are not only what was burned. We hold a wisdom that we earned. We're gonna laugh, we're gonna pray, we're gonna dance this pain away. Yeah, we're gonna be okay. The world can be loud, but love is all around. Sit with me. There is more than today. Yeah, we're gonna be okay.